Today at Former Pro Mastery Hub, we'll be celebrating a major milestone. We are 1 year today, and this 1 year wouldn't have been possible without the active members of PPMH. PPMH is an acronym for Pharma Pro Mastery Hub. Pharma Pro Mastery Hub is a place where pharmacists meet mastery. You know, pharmacy is beyond theory, it's beyond studying the shikimic pathway, finding trichomes. No, it is about applying the knowledge you've gotten from finding the trichomes and studying the shikimic pathway into real life situation. We've been able to grow step by step. We took baby step. Former Pro Mastery Hub came from the idea to see how do I better the healthcare system in Nigeria and the world at large. How do I contribute to the healthcare system? Because during that time when this idea came, I was at a down moment in my pharmacy profession. I was really troubled with the fact of finding internship. You know, the internship stories are there are plenty, and they are an episode for another day. So today we're only going to be talking about Former Pro Mastery Hub. So when Former Pro Mastery Hub idea came, I was able to share it with some friends, and then some bought the idea, some didn't buy it. And then I felt, okay, this is something I have to build on, because I couldn't pull myself away from the hub. I couldn't pull myself away from the idea. So I created the logo that night that the idea came. I thought about the vision, thought about everything that I needed to put in place concerning it. I spoke to a few friends, and while we were talking, some of them were giving ideas. People like Pampel, we discussed at length about, okay, this is what I want to do. What do you think? And from Blessing Orlando too, we were talking about, okay, what do we do? I was telling them about, this is the idea I have. This is what I want to do. And then we started every Saturday. We meet, we discuss. I told them, even if it is one person I have in that group, it has to hold. We are not postponing the classes for anything. And so far along the line, we kept seeing people coming in. People were buying the idea, and then we've grown from five number to 77, and it has been good. When I sent a Google form to the hub and I received responses, I got so emotional because I could see plenty inspiration from that little action I took. I could see how that hub has been a blessing to a lot of persons, and I've seen how eager people are for this thing to work. We really want a healthcare system where we could confidently send our relatives to a particular hospital or pharmacy and be sure that they are going to get the best treatment and they are going to get the best therapeutic outcome. We don't want a situation whereby we are not sure of the healthcare professionals that we have to be able to handle our family members. So I was really, really happy when I read the responses from this survey, and I'm grateful to every member of PPMH, because you guys really made my day. I was emotional with your responses, and then it is your responses is a way of seeing how to build more stuffs that are going to help the healthcare professional, and how to also help us grow as pharmacists. We want pharmacists that know their onions, and we are working actively to build it. I want a situation whereby Pharma Pro Mastery Hub is going to be like a pharmacy dictionary for pharmacists and other healthcare professionals, where when you go, you are going to see information that are accurate, up to date, and information that are going to help you build the healthcare system properly in Nigeria, because we need a healthcare system that we can trust. And by the grace of God, we are trying to build one. We've not reached the level where we want. We are still growing, but we are grateful for the steps that we have taken. This is our first milestone, and we are proud of ourselves at PPMH. So if you want to be a part of us, you can send a message. You can check on YouTube. On YouTube, we are Former Pro Mastery Hub Academy, Former Prom Academy, or if you search Former Pro Mastery Hub, you see some of the things we do there. We are continuously growing, and to the glory of God, we know that one day we are going to look behind and we are going to smile at what we have done, because whatever we are doing is for the healthcare system. And so if the healthcare system gets to the point where we want it to be, we are satisfied. So until that time, we are going to keep working so hard to see that the information that is put out there, because the information you think that is so minor, everybody know it. There are people that don't know it. There are people that still need to hear that information that you think is so trivial. So because of that, we've decided to, build more capacity, improve our content creations on YouTube, on Facebook. We are trying as much as possible to see how whatever is necessary for a good healthcare system in Nigeria is put in place. Thank you so much for working along with us through this 1 year, and we hope to see more people work with us and partner with us to see how to make the healthcare system in Nigeria and the world at large better. Thank you so much.